My flag is blue. Flag is bright. I like it very much. The yellow sun. The blue sky. And the eagle is flying high. Kazakhstan is my country. Kazakhstan is my land. I live here with my friends.
Every year on December 16, our country celebrates one of the main national holidays, the Independence Day of Kazakhstan, which is forever associated with sacred events in the history of the country.
Today, together with all of the Kazakhstan people, we can be proud of achievements of our country in the field of science, culture, economy, education and sports.
On this solemn day, which is the beginning of independence and freedom, we wish you happiness, prosperity, welfare and success.
For the 30th anniversary in 2021, a commission under the Ministry of Information and Social Development to prepare for the anniversary was established in October 2019.
The first military parade of Kazakhstan took place on Republic Square in 1996 in Almaty, dedicated to the 5th anniversary of independence.
Hi Azira, do you know what happened on 16th of December?
Yes, I do.
It's Independence Day. This day is national holiday of Kazakhstan and there is important event for Kazakh people. Hi everyone, today we are going to congratulate you on the main holiday of our country, Independence Day. I'd like to wish you happiness, health, comfort and prosperity. May there always be a peaceful sky above us.